Okay, so I'm just going to underline this. There are 4 basic forms. So the next basic form I'm going to draw for you is a cone. So I'm going to imagine the light. Let's say the light is on this side now. And let's make it a light bulb. Or that's a terrible looking light bulb because it started out not as a light bulb, but we'll work with it. It's a floodlight. Okay, so this is a cone, and remember, triangle, shape. That's a shape. A cone is different. A cone kind of starts off like a triangle, like so. And it's nice to draw it lighter than this sometimes so that you can erase. And then the bottom of the cone is rounded, so I'm going to round off the bottom. And see my searching lines again. Okay, so lightest part is going to be nearest the light, and then darkest part is also going to be near the opposite end. Depending on what kind of material your cone is made out of, the core shadow will look different. Things that are denser and glossier will have a nice sharp core shadow. Things that are like foam or styrofoam will be much more diffused or shapeless, I guess. So here's my core shadow. And again, I'm going to take my blending stump, which is getting dirtier now. I'm going to blend to the darker side. Make sure you keep in that reflected light area. And then blend it over to the other side and make sure we keep that highlight. And then I'm going to take the dirty blending stump and create a cast shadow. And then let's take the pencil and make a tabletop. Maybe it's on the edge of the table like this. And I'm going to fill in that background. Really darken that in there. And darken this in. See how much that pops out now? I'm going to take my blending stump and blend that in. And then go through and label it. This is a cone. And we're going to abbreviate cast shadow, core shadow, highlight, and reflected light. So there's that. Something I want to show you is I'm going to take out this sandpaper now and see how dirty this blending stump is. I'm going to take it and just kind of drag it along there and turn it. So when I drag it like this, you can see the graphite and the paper just kind of cleaning off of here. So that's getting cleaner. But I want to do it like this so that I can preserve that point on the blending stump. Okay, that's good enough. But that's what this sandpaper is for.